Let's try to build an app inside Google Spreadsheets. So click on Canvas and start talking to Gemini. In this case, I wanted to build a timer that I can use to capture how long it takes me to complete a task. With this timer, I wanted to be able to add a session, add my estimate time on how long it would take, and when I stop it, the session will sync on one of my sheets, meaning it will record the session name, it will record my estimated time, and the actual time that it took me in minutes. And then they said, I'm ready to create your canvas, but I don't have any data to work with. Please add your data and try again. So I think the problem is that I gave it a sheet, but there's nothing in that sheet. There's no header whatsoever. So let's add the header. So let's put session name, time estimate in minutes, the actual time in minutes too, and the coverage percentage. All right. Generating code. Wow, look at that, a whole interface. And it asks me for my objective. Hey, what is this session for? Interestingly, it also gives me a few options to choose from. Maybe, it just assumed these are likely some of the tasks that I will have to repeat. So, and then it gave me a slider for the duration. Interesting. I didn't even tell it the UI or what the interface would look like. It just gave me something to react to. And this is what's great about when you're vibe coding with AI. It solves the blank page problem because it can easily spin up something and then give you something to react to. If you don't like it, you can make edits. But take note that one of the downside of vibe coding inside Google Sheet, especially if you can code, is that the code does not really live anywhere, at least anywhere that you can access directly. It just lives in the chat. And let's see if it works. Let's try adding a session, brainstorming session. There's a few options here. I'm going to click on complete and save, and let's see if it will appear on my spreadsheet. And there you go. I have complete and save. This has been good. I mean, if you're building simple apps, I think this is an easy gateway towards vibe coding or coding yourself using AI. Try it out and let me know what you build.